Hello dear students, welcome to Shivjyoti Educational Group Kota. This is Jigyasha Prajapati presenting here class 3rd Computer Science video lectures of chapter 8 Introduction to MSW Logo. Students, in this chapter we will learn about the MSW logo, which is a computer programming language. Students, we know computer is a machine which cannot speak and understand the languages that we use to talk and express our feeling. Okay, so to give instructions or commands to the computer, we need to learn some programming languages, okay, like we have MSW logo, QBasic, etc. So in this video we are going to cover up these topics: MSW logo, getting started with MSW logo, main screen window and commander window. So students, you have to open your computer book at page number 80. Okay. Now we will start with our first topic, which is MSW logo. The MSW logo stands for Microsoft Windows Logic Oriented Graphics Oriented. Okay. So this is the full form of MSW logo, Microsoft Windows Logic Oriented Graphics Oriented. Okay. Next, MSW logo is a simple programming language. Okay. Students, MSW logo आपका एक simple programming language है. Next, we use MSW logo for drawing images, doing calculations and for printing text. So you can use the MSW logo language for drawing images, doing calculation and for printing text in the computer. Now we will move to our next topic, which is getting started with MSW logo. So students, here we will see how to start MSW logo on your computer. The steps of starting MSW logo are as follows. First step, students, in the first step you have to click on the start button. Okay, here you can see this is your start button, you have to click on this. Then in the step 2 you have to click on this all programs option. Okay, we have to click on this. When you click on the all programs option, then here you can see the various program on the computer screen. Okay, and here we have to choose the Microsoft Windows logo program in the step 3rd. Okay, so we have to click on this Microsoft Windows logo in the step 3rd. Now in the step 4 you have to click on Microsoft Windows logo. Okay, we have to click on it. Then the following MSW logo window will appear on the screen. Students, here you can see this is your MSW logo screen. Okay, and this screen is divided into the two parts. Here you can see this is the top window, which is known as the main screen window, and here you can see the bottom window, which is known as the commander window. Okay, now we will see these two windows one by one. First we have main screen window. The main screen window holds a triangle called turtle. Okay students, here you can see this is the triangle shape and it is known as the turtle that moves to draw images. A turtle moves when we give some instruction or commands. Okay, so whenever you give any command or instruction to the MSW logo, then this turtle start moving in this main screen. Okay, this screen also holds the following elements. Here you can see the various elements of this MSW logo window. First we have title bar. This title bar holds the title of this window. Here you can see the title MSW logo screen. Below the title bar we have the menu bar. In the menu bar, here you can see the different menus: file, bitmap, set, zoom, help, etc. Okay, and here you can see this is the triangle shape icon, which is known as the turtle. Okay, and here you can see this white area is known as the turtle's area, where the turtle will move when you give the instruction. Okay, and here you can see horizontal scroll bar, this, and this is the vertical scroll bar. Okay, so we use the scroll bar to move the MSW logo screen. Okay students, now we will see these elements one by one. First we have title bar. We know the topmost bar is called the title bar. Okay, next element, menu bar. The menu bar is placed below the title bar. As I told you, it holds various menus that hold various commands to perform task. Okay, तो menu bar में आपके पास different menus होते हैं and each menu contain the different commands. Okay, next, scroll bars. There are two types of scroll bars, horizontal and vertical. The horizontal scroll bar is used to scroll the page left and right direction, whereas the vertical scroll bar is used to scroll the page in up and down direction. Okay, so we use scroll bar to move our main screen. Okay, next, by default turtle is placed at the center of the main screen, which is called turtle's home. Okay, so what is the turtle's home? The center part of the main screen is known as the turtle's home. Okay students, now we will see the next part of the MSW logo, which is the commander window. Okay, here you can see commander window. The commander window is used to give commands to move the turtle. Okay, so if you want to move your turtle in the main screen, then we have to give commands in the commander window. The commander window has following components. Now we will see the components of the commander window. First component we have recall list box. This is the grey color box. This is known as the recall list box. Okay, here you can see all the commands that has been executed and the output of those commands in the recall list box. Okay, next we have command input box. Student, this is your command input box. If you want to enter any command in the MSW logo, then you have to write your command in this command input box. Okay, next, here we have the command buttons. Student, here you can see the different command buttons to give different commands to the MSW logo. Here we have halt button, trace button, pause button, status button, stop button, reset button, execute button and call button. Okay students, now we will see these components one by one. First we have command input box. This box is present at the bottom left position of the commander window. As we have already seen, it takes inputs from us, means we give commands or instruction in this box. Okay, so whenever you want to write any command in the MSW logo, then we have to write this command in the command input box. Okay students, now we will see the next component, which is recall list box. The grey section in the commander window is called the recall list box. As I told you, it holds all the executed commands. It also holds outputs of the commands. Okay, so your recall list box holds all the executed command and also holds the output of those commands. Okay, now the next component we have command buttons. The commander window holds various buttons, which is called command buttons. These buttons are placed at the right corner of the window. Students, as I told you, in the right corner of the window, we have different command buttons to give the command to MSW logo. The various command buttons are as listed below. Now we will see these command buttons one by one. Here you can see the first button, which is execute button. The execute button is used to execute the instructions or commands that we write in the command input box. So students, whenever you want to execute any command in the MSW logo, then you have to first write the command in the command input box. Next you have to press the execute button to execute the command. Okay. Now the next button we have halt button. It stops the execution of the commands permanently. Students, once you have pressed the hold button, then you cannot execute any command on the MSW logo because it stops the execution of the commands permanently. Okay. Now the next button pause button. Pause button stops the execution of the commands temporarily. Okay. So this pause button stops the execution of commands temporarily. Now the next button status button. Status button shows a status window and status window shows current settings in MSW logo. So students, whenever you want to change the settings of the MSW logo window, then you can click on the status button. Okay. Now next button, no status button. No status button is used to close the status window. Students, if you want to close the status window, then we have to click on the no status button. Okay. Now next button we have trace button. Trace button finds the errors in the program. So if you want to find the errors in your program, then we have to press the trace button from the commander window. Next button we have reset button. Reset button erases all the drawings and send the turtle to its home in the main screen. And we know where is the home of the turtle? The home of turtle is present at the center of the main screen. Okay. So students, now we will see the practical of these topics one by one. To see the practical of MSW logo, first we have to start the MSW logo in our computer. Okay. For this we have to click on the start button. Then we have to click on the all programs, and here we have to click on the Microsoft Windows logo. Okay, click on it and here you have to choose Microsoft Windows logo. Okay, when you click on this option, your MSW logo screen will be appear on your computer screen. Here you can see student, the MSW logo screen has been divided into two parts. The first part of this window is known as the main screen window and the second part of this MSW logo window is known as the commander window. Okay students, here you can see the main screen window contains the different elements. We have title bar in it, we have menu bar, we have scroll bars, vertical scroll bar, horizontal scroll bar, and here you can see a triangle icon which is known as the turtle. Okay, and this white area is known as the turtle's area because here your turtle will move. Okay students, whenever you give command in the commander window, then your turtle start moving in the turtle's area. Okay students, now the remaining topic of this chapter we will see the next video of this chapter. Okay, thank you students, have a nice day.